video, I'm gonna talk about how you can create a stats tracker in Notion. This is gonna be a part 2, and in this video, which is gonna be a little complex one than the last one, where I talked about how you can calculate the number of tasks completed through this uh, done checkbox. So if you click on it, if you check it, and then it shows the number of tasks you have completed, and total number of tasks you have completed, as you can see over here. And in this video I'm going to talk about how you can do the same. Just instead of using the checkbox, we're gonna be using the select property in Notion. So for example, I'm just gonna choose the select one. I'm gonna name it status. Great. And oh no, so okay, let me just change it again. Select, yeah. And I'm just gonna give it the properties of to do, doing, and done. Maybe change up the colors a bit. Okay, green, yellow, like stop signs. Yeah, know why people do that, but I do that too. So don't know. So today's goal would be how you can how can get this done out of you can calculate the total number of done and show it over here. These are, first of all, these are two different database. They are not connected. Also I want to say that if you haven't checked the last video yet, you can see it anywhere in the top, uh, and just watch it first and then come here so you can understand how we have got here. So let's get started with this video. Great. So first of all, I'm just gonna delete this done checkbox, because we don't need that right now. So you can also see that this is also not showing right now. But what we're gonna do is, this is the status. So what's the problem that comes here is that you cannot select the total number of done or any other property inside this property, which for example I'm just going to show you. You cannot see how many are done or anything like that, so you cannot calculate it directly. So what we are going to do is, we're just going to create a formula which calculates the total number of uh, done. Okay, so what we're gonna do again, we're gonna just create a variable name question done question number 2. This could be anything. I'm just writing it because it's simple. Then we're gonna choose formula, and we're just gonna select not this one, but I guess the status one. So I'm just gonna select that status, and now it's just showing the uh, this is done, this is to do, this doing, done. Okay, so but we want to convert it into a check box. So in the same way we could easily convert it. Now what we have to do for that is to create an if statement, which would check if the status equals to, that's just an operator which is saying if it's equal to something, and we have to turn to right over here, done. Now I guess, just a second, I'm just gonna check if it's done. On yeah, so status, I'm just gonna do write the whole thing again. If prop status equals to done, this shouldn't be wrong, else the whole code will not work. And just true or false. First of spelling mistakes, true or false. Now it's just gonna show if the statement, if the status is done, then it's gonna show a checkbox, else it's unchecked. So what we're gonna do right now is, instead of getting this task roll up to done not doing, we're gonna choose done and choose checked, and then the total task would also calculate the done one, and but this time it would be all, count all. Now it's done again. So this is all about the video. Also what we can do is maybe hide this one, because it's gonna update itself again and again. And now for example, I'm just gonna click done, and it's gonna show 3 over here. Maybe create another task. Maybe also check it to done. Over here you can see it's also done. So this is how you can create a stats tracker based on the select property. Okay, so thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you guys. Also, if you hadn't checked the first part of this video, I hope you understand everything, or else you can just watch it first and then get back again and do all this